Yo everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video, I just made a video 2 minutes ago on how to get 1,000 subs in a week, and it's an algorithm hack. It works, it actually works guys, I haven't tried it yet. And yeah, this video is how to get attention on your videos and how to get views. So this new update, it's been added to YouTube. I've added it to every single one of my videos. Just search up oh my head. This guy's, I love your videos. Thank you so much. Shout out to him. Well, yeah, kind of shout out. Oh well, yeah. So this is a tutorial. So look at my description, guys. I just write, this is just another tutorial, sub and like or more, and then under I just write tags, and this is the glitch. This is like, it's not a glitch, everyone does this, but if you don't know, this is actually really helpful. So you just put 3 hashtags, because on, 3 is the max I can count off your title, and yeah, I just put 3 subs. Oh my god, I can't. Yeah, you click on it and this is all the videos that have hashtag 3 subs. Yeah. So that's how you do it. So, when you're first uploading a video, you go in your description, you just put hashtag and then whatever your video is about. And then when people search it up, it'll come up, it'll be most likely to come up. Yeah, and if you already uploaded your video, guys, you can just go on your channel. You go into videos. You go onto the 3 dots. You go edit. And look, you can change your description, you can put the tags in. And you just click save. On PC this is different, but it's still pretty easy to do.